Hi, I'm Maria McCool. I'm a stylist, salon owner, product developer, and the founder of Glista. Something I hear all the time from my clients is that they've tried several dry shampoos, but none of them quite deliver the results they're hoping for. Instead of clean, lifted hair, they are often left with heaviness, residue, or scalp irritation. I know there had to be something better. A dry shampoo that not only refreshes your style, but actually leaves your hair looking better than before. That's exactly why I created STRATOSPHERE Revive Powder. This non-aerosol dry shampoo combines the benefits of a dry shampoo, volumizer, and a scalp refresher in one clean, easy-to-use product. It's powered by ultra-fine powder that blends invisibly into the hair to absorb oil without coating your strands or dulling your shine. And because it's formulated with scalp-soothing ingredients like tea tree extract and ginseng, Revive Powder does more than just extend your style. It helps clarify the scalp, promote circulation, and supports a healthy growing environment for all hair types. Just as important as what's in STRATOSPHERE Revive Powder is what I made sure was left out. The concentrated high-performance formula is free from talc and drying alcohols, so it won't irritate your scalp or weigh down your hair. The non-aerosol pump delivers a clean, controlled application. No mess, no cloud of product, just a soft veil of ultra-fine powder exactly where you need it. It's also TSA friendly, making it an ideal travel companion. And with its fresh, elegant scent, it leaves hair feeling and smelling clean without being overpowering. And this little bottle goes a long way. With over 450 pumps inside, STRATOSPHERE Revive Powder delivers nearly 3 times more uses than the average aerosol dry shampoo. Because the formula is concentrated and the delivery is precise, there's no waste and no overspray. For short or fine hair, you only need 3 to 4 pumps. For longer or thicker hair, 5 to 6 pumps does the trick. Depending on your hair type, that's 90 to 150 uses that add up to more great hair days from one compact bottle. Now let me show you how to use it. Hold Revive 6 to 8 inches from your scalp and dispense 1 to 2 pumps at a time, focusing on areas that feel oily or flat. Gently massage it into your scalp with your fingertips, then brush through with your smoothie brush to blend through your strands. You'll instantly see cleaner roots, natural lift, and refreshed texture. Here's a styling tip. Use Revive Powder before you exercise. It helps absorb oil from your sweat and maintains the volume so your hair looks and feels better after your workout. You can also apply it before bed and let it work while you sleep. You'll wake up with hair that feels clean, fresh, and ready to style. STRATOSPHERE Revive Powder is more than a dry shampoo. It's a high-performance styling essential that simplifies your routine and elevates your look. Whether you're on second day or third day hair or touching up before an evening out, Revive Powder makes it easy to reset, restyle, and keep your hair looking polished. No shampoo required. I created Revive Powder to give you a scalp-friendly, effective way to extend your style, add volume with clean ingredients, premium performance, and truly beautiful results. I hope you love it as much as I do.